Hi, my name is Chris Hart, cartoonist and author of many books on drawing cartoons and figure drawing and all sorts of stuff. And today I would like to show you something that I think will help you in a lot of your drawings. It's how to maintain symmetry, to keep the drawing unified, keep it kind of controlled looking. And we'll do a simple face for that, simple female face. So let's start with a shape that looks at itself kind of symmetrical, and we'll see how to make the guidelines and the placement of everything work along that way. Keep everything nice and loose. Put a neck flat in the middle and set the center line right there, right in the middle, and keep the eye line even, not tilted on any side. We're going to round off here, and if we do that, we got to round off here. Everything has to be symmetrical. Okay, so let's just have a couple of nostrils here, and we'll just first lay out the eyes. Just put the eye, block them out really where we want them, and we're going to adjust the face but keep the symmetry at the same time. Okay, so I want to bring that nose down further because it's too high for the eyes. Right on the line here, the center line. Now the face here needs to be lengthened to accommodate that. Again, that chin will end up right on the center line. Now of course it doesn't have to be, arithmetically, center, but pretty close. All right, so let's put the hairstyle in here. And of course, not every piece of it has to be symmetrical, like a hairstyle or whatever. But the face itself and the features will be. So, if you're going to darken the eyelids here, you're going to have to darken the eyelids on both sides. What happens is, if you don't do that, the viewer has an uncomfortable feeling about the character. It doesn't quite look right. And they don't necessarily know why. They just know they don't like it. And they would like it if you had kept the symmetry. All right, so let's put that back in again. And now I'm going to center the lips. Like that. Now the arch will also be mirrored here. It'll be just as high an arch unless there's an expression. Let's bring this down a little further. Here's the chin right here. Bring this further. And we'll put an earring over here. And where does that go? The earring goes here. So the other ear is right there. So we maintain symmetry in that way. Now, we can get rid of this one because this is coming in front. It's kind of nice. Now I'm going to start to fill this in. So I'll darken this. And I give some 2 eyelashes this way. And yes, if there are 2 on that side, it's good to have 2 on the other side. Bring this up. So it helps to enclose the pupils. And we'll give a little shine here on the upper right side. You don't want another shine on the left side because if the light comes from the upper right, it's going to hit both eyes in the same area. So that would be an exception. Like this. And we're going to really darken that so it blends into the eyelid. And we're building up the eyelid here, the eye shadow. And again, it gradually, or it graduates at the same speed, degree. Long neck, like that. And if it's thicker here, toward the center, it's thicker here toward the center on the other one. A little bit of a shadow cast onto the neck from the chin. A few little eyelashes on the side. A crease here and there. Slight darkening here. And there you have it. There is a very symmetrical character, and you notice you feel like it's a little bit controlled. It's not going off in this way and that way. So I hope that was helpful, and I'll have more tips for you next time. Thanks for watching. Hope you post a comment. See you later. Bye-bye.